Hi everyone, it's Donna here from Donna's Vintage Cottage, and I am here today with a bundle. This bundle is made up of things that I had listed individually on my Etsy shop, and I've taken them down and I'm going to offer them today as one big bundle at a discount price. If anybody's interested in junk journal, starting out junk journaling, this is a great bundle for you. It will include a naked junk journal, one that has not been decorated except for the cover, and these are the two options. For the bundle, it will include either a 5x7 one with a cross stitch cover. I'll just flip through one really quick. This one has mostly coffee and tea stained pages. They're just pages ready to decorate. Has an envelope, bird page, just miscellaneous pages either to decorate or to write on, German, poetry, children's book. All the book pages obviously will be slightly different in each one, but they're all from the same books. So that is an example of the 5x7 one, and I have 3 of those available, and then I have 5 of this traveler's notebook size. This one measures 8 1/4 by 4 1/2, and it has kind of a vinyl type cover. This other one is a fabric color cover, and the pages in this one are not. I don't think any of them are coffee or tea stained, but they're just pages for writing and decorating. There's a couple of book pages. One is from a Fanny Robinson floral, and then one is from a friendship, and then a children's it's like a children's dictionary with lots of illustrations on it, and some scrapbook pages. So this is an example of the Traveler's Notebook one. Lots of place to write and journal and decorate. Now, if you pick this one, your options for the cover has a coloring book image. I have available the mermaid, a hot air balloon, an alpaca, and of course you can choose to color these in if you want. This is like a jungle cat and a hot air balloon carrying a whale. Go figure. So if you want the Traveler's Notebook size, let me know which image you prefer. So that's it for the journal, the junk journal part. You'll get your choice of one naked junk journal, and then the rest are embellishments. Okay, I'm back. These are packs that I have had offered individually. This is a collage pack, and I'll just go through these really quickly as well. I'll put the links down below to all of these if you want to see more in depth. A couple of flashcards. Actually, here's another one that has animals on it. Another one with time, and then all different sizes of flashcards. A couple of mini CD envelopes. A couple of Rolodex cards, a couple of guest checks, a couple of recipe cards, a couple of library pockets, a couple of shipping tags, a couple of glassine envelopes. Those are all the things that can be collaged on, and these are the things that you can use to collage those items. There's a glassine envelope with some some stamps, vintage stamps in it. And then a variety, this will be different in each kit, a variety of different images from either children's books or encyclopedias that I had. So it'll just be a variety of images. There's 2 different paper napkins for decoupage, and a variety of different book pages with interesting print or fonts or images, different shades, dictionary. This one is really fragile, but it's really good for collage. It already has that antique color. Some map, some botanical books, bird book, some music paper. There's pages from a 1872 almanac, German poetry book, just a book on, I forget what this was on, but it had some pretty script writing on it, dictionary, some page with some advertising, and then 3 different wallpapers. So that's the collage kit the collage part of this bundle. There's also a bundle of pre-made embellishments, and this includes a collaged tag that you can just put a focal on it and then it's done. It's coffee stained on the back. 3 faux fabric, either you can use them as tags or as a pocket on a page or a tuck spot. Glassine envelope decorated with some space for writing inside. If you don't have a sewing machine, these are good for you because you can add that extra texture. Most of these are all sewn. And then a foot-long snippet roll with vintage laces. And then 4 different little doily embellishments with images in the center. Made with my doilies and some printables. And then each kit will also have a set of, in this packet, a set of 6 of the tabs. If you want to put tabs, 6 of these, if you want to put tabs on your pages. A variety of buttons, and it also has a lock and a key charm if you want to hang those from the strings that I left open in the journals. So that is the bundle that I'm offering today. These are $28 plus shipping. If you order just one in the US, the shipping will be around between $4 and $4.50, somewhere around there. I do ship international, and I'm recording this ahead of time for upload on Saturday. I may or may not have a second video on Saturday. I'm not sure yet if I'll be able to get to anything else. But that's all I have for now. Bye!